Very nice. See how vintage it is. A lot of wood still on it.
We'll stop about halfway through, at which point you can get up and walk around and explore another car if you'd like. We do have refreshments today, and because you folks are on the extended train, you are welcome to your free drink. We will be departing shortly for Burnham. Again, we will be departing shortly for Burnham. Again, thank you guys for riding with us today.
This particular body of water is about 4 miles long, and it has spots along the way that are about 35 to 40 feet deep. And those are the qualifications for it to be considered a lake by the Maine Geological Society. So its technical name is Lake Sebasticook. Sebasticook is a Native American name. But if you're from around here, you've probably heard it referred to as Unity Pond. Confuse people here in downtown Burnham. But we are crossing the Sebasticook River. And we're doing so on a very large bridge. So you can take pictures, but please don't be surprised if you see them uprights. You have to play dodge with those. We'll be stopping as soon as we get over the bridge. Short of the signal that will set off the lights. So part of the train may be left on the bridge, I don't recall. This is a very peaceful spot. And just keeping in mind, this is over 30 miles from downtown Belfast by rail.
The Belfast and Moosehead Lake Railroad is in of itself a moving museum. Our locomotive today was built in 1959 for the nickel plate road in Michigan. Those of us I'm in here with in the coach car, this car was built in 1924 for the Delaware-Lackawanna Railroad in New York City. And in the cable car was built in 1924 for the Maine Central Railroad. The cable car has never left the state of Maine and for a time served as a restaurant in the city of Belfast in the 1980s and 1990s before it came into our hands.
There's cook there. They do a good pot roast. They do a really good lasagna. We had their chicken stew a couple of weeks ago. That was good.
Sorry if I go take pictures.
You're
You're good. You're good. Thank you. Excuse
sorry,
me.
right
Oh,
in
you're
your
fine.
way.
You're fine. Oh, it's really nice. A potbelly in the middle. Have a nice little dining car. Oh wow, look at that on the side. And the painting, and even on the ceiling. This is very lovely. They did a good job everything this. Very pretty. I'm glad I came back to take a peek. Very nice. Little bar area, very nice.
This used to
Very
be
nice.
the high-end dining car in
Was it?
1914.
Really? It's very nice.
Excuse me. Yeah, it is.
Mm-hmm.
We like having it.
Do you guys do Christmas or
We do Christmas
Do you?
events, yes.
do you?
We have Santa. He and Mrs. Claus come quite often.
Oh yeah.
Sometimes she stays up there. Somebody's gonna make the elves behave.
That's right. Somebody has to do it.
I'm looking for Julie.
Okay.
Yes,
Thank you very
sir.
much,
Hi.
Julie. Bye.
Hi, I'm George.
Hi, George.
Nice to meet you.
Donna.
And these are steepy steps. So you have to be very careful getting down. Saw one fellow miss a step on the previous one and he slipped. See, somebody's ready for the Halloween. All right, it's a Halloween sighting. Goes through a stack of pumpkins that are kind of falling over. Very nice. This was the Belfast and Moosehead Lake Railway. Very nice. On a beautiful fall day in October. Sadly, a lot of leaves had fallen because we had such a high humidity summer this year. So instead of giving us much color, they kind of turned brown and curled up and just fell off. And they look like that tree there. Then there were some that are holding on and still haven't changed color, like a lot of the oaks haven't. Most of the maples have. So this is kind of an odd summer, but I would definitely recommend coming on the train if you wanted to see. Come out on the extended fall tour and you get to see a little bit more. Lasts a little bit longer. They do Toys for Tots, some Christmas shows as well, where Santa, like Julie was saying, comes on. So beautiful. I love seeing the old trains. how they're trying to renovate them and bring them back and through tourism and different parties and associates. If you like these videos, please feel free to give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe to my weird and wild adventures. This is just another railway excursion, and we will be going on others and touring around Maine as well as all around the world. You never know where we're going to stop, who we're going to see, or who we're going to meet. And this is Wanda, over and out.